Tonight we're talking about sustainability's impact on the guest experience. The idea that how sustainable your event is has an actual impact on how much your attendees enjoy your event.
So, now that you've made your strategic decisions to reduce the amount of waste that your event generates, now there's probably still some waste left over. So now it's time to assess that waste and figure out what is our plan for keeping those items out of the landfill. Zero waste events are happening all around the country, all around the world. In fact, in 2018, the Super Bowl was zero waste. So, it's not just that this future is not as far as we think, it's really already here. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me there virtually with you today. I'm really excited to tell you all about the 6 steps to a zero waste event. The reason that we're doing this is to reduce the carbon footprint of this meeting. I'm not based where you are. I am coming to you live from Indianapolis, Indiana. Technology has really advanced to allow us to do this. We're still going to be able to interact, ask each other questions. I can see you, you can see me. And now you've got a pretty solid plan for how you're going to handle each item of waste at your event. So now it's time to communicate that plan to all of your stakeholders. That's not what anybody wants at an event when they're wearing their nice dress and sweating their way through this steak. A lot of chefs do a really good job of doing portion sizes that are reasonable and attractively plated, but some still just do go for that punch you in the face with a huge steak sort of impact. Let them know that that's not what you're going for.
Now we just talked about paper straws. If all you're doing is switching to paper straws instead of plastic, that's not really enough to say that you have a real sustainability program at your event. You need to do your homework and choose decisions and choose programs that will have actual significant impact.